In this video, the Bitcoin price got rejected by the resistance area which we mentioned yesterday. But guys, take note, today is the last day of the month, meaning we are going to have the monthly candle close. What can we expect for the month of March? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was the resistance around the 39.4k, which is around this area. And diba sabi natin, in order for us to continue to flip bullish, we need to break the 39.4k area. And look at this, hindi natin siya na-break kasi wala tayong 4-hour candle close above that area. So we did not break that area. Instead, we got a strong rejection. And look at that, wala tayong actually nakita na sell volume dito sa rejection na yan. So it's not a clear indication na it's going to go down talaga ng 100%. But after that, what happened with the Bitcoin price? So if we're going to look at this in the 50-minute time frame, we actually formed a very short-term bullish divergence. Ayan o, the price was declining while the RSI was increasing. So that is an indicator of a bullish trend reversal to the upside. And right now, we are actually playing that one out. And as you can see, for the very short term, we are actually forming this ascending channel forming within the very short term. So this is a continuation pattern that we are going to monitor. But take note, if we are going to break the support, then we are going to target the bottom of the channel. Pero if we are going to get a bullish breakout, then we are just going to get the height. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. And that is actually by going in to our previous resistance. So that is what I am right now monitoring with the Bitcoin price for the very short term. But looking at this siguro in the 4-hour time frame, let's try to look at this in the 4-hour time frame. You can actually see na if we're going to zoom in, you're actually getting a lot of doji candles dito around the 4-hour time frame, indicating na this could be a possible bullish trend reversal for the very short term nga rin talaga. And in that case, we are going to target the previous resistance, which is still the 39.4k. And take note, if we break the 39.4k only, then we are going to flip bullish to the next target, which is around the 40.6k area. And then on top of that, we are still playing within this bullish divergence nitong Bitcoin price in the 4-hour time frame. So I think we are seeing a lot of momentum to move to the upside. It's just that we need to break this massive resistance talaga. Looking at the moving averages, you can actually see that the 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame is now currently acting as a strong resistance area. So we need to break this area talaga in order for us to see a continuation movement to the upside. Let's try to look at this in the Fibonacci retracement and understand where are we headed. So if you're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement, itong Fibonacci retracement area natin, you can actually see na this was actually a Fibonacci retracement support area. And 39.4k is actually a Fibonacci resistance area. So right now, we're now actually looking at this. And 39.4k area is actually a 618 area, which is the Fibonacci golden pocket area. So right now, we are seeing a lot of resistance talaga dyan sa 618 area ni Bitcoin. So I think it's not surprising na hindi natin siya nababreak kasi yun nga, meron tayong massive resistance area. And right now, we have to watch that one out for the very short term. But take note guys, today is actually the last day of the month, indicating that we are going to get our monthly candle close. And with that being said, we are going to dive in with our historical Bitcoin returns chart. And we are going to understand what can we expect for the month of March. As you can see, meron tayong dito data na pinulot ko manually. Kinuha ko actually yung average profit and loss chart ng monthly chart for the past 10 years ni Bitcoin. Tapos pinulot ko siya into a data table. And then from there on, kinuha ko yung kanilang average PNL for the past 10 years. And then from there on, kinonvert ko yung data into a bar chart na nakuha ko itong chart. So as you can see, coming in from this data, it's actually telling us na January yung pinakang konting return. Sa February naman, we are going to expect more returns than the month of January. March, mas malaki returns. Pero ang best time to take profits would be around April, May, or June. And then as well as October and November. The best time to enter the market or the best time to buy is actually during January, June, August, September, and December. And if you're going to plot our 2021 data on top of our average PNL data, you can actually see na it actually makes sense. You can see na noong 2021, mas nagkaroon tayo ng maraming profits around March, April, and May. And then, during the month of October and November, dun si Bitcoin nag-peak during that period, indicating na our historical data was actually playing out within the year of 2021. In this case, using the same Bitcoin data na meron tayo, what are we going to expect for the month of March? So as you can see, using the average historical data, let's understand first ano ba nangyari sa 2022, especially sa January. So as you can see, looking at the month of January, nagkaroon tayo ng negative 17% of PNL for the month of January. But as you can see, tumaas yung ating PNL from January to February. As you can see, from January na negative 17%, naging negative 0.97%, indicating na mas marami tayong nakuha profits for the month of February rather than the month of January. Kasi tumaas yung ating PNL from negative 17 to negative 0. So in that case, as you can see, it actually makes sense then kasi as you can see, the month of February is going to indicate or is going to tell us na we are going to get more returns for the month of February, which is actually playing out dito sa ating historical Bitcoin data. And let's understand ano ba ngayon mangyayari for the month of March 2022. So using the average PNL data, I think it's going to indicate na we are going to get more returns for the month of March. The data is actually hinting us na we are going to get more profits for the month of March rather than the month of February. So indicating na we are going to get more profits for the month of March talaga with the year 2022 on the Bitcoin price action. And if you're going to look at the monthly chart, you can actually see na we are also forming this doji candle in the monthly time frame, indicating na so this is actually a trend reversal candle na you can actually see in the monthly time frame. So this could actually indicate na we might see a possible bullish reversal with the Bitcoin price in the month of March. So with that being said, we are going to monitor this in the coming days if mag-play out nga to. And hopefully, sana mangyari itong prediction na nagsasabi sa ating data model na we are going to get more profits for the month of March with the crypto market, especially with the Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, data models can be wrong, but at least it can give us an idea on what can we expect for the coming weeks to come. So yun yung ating prediction for the month of March. We are going to expect more returns, more profits for the month of March. In this case, we might actually see a possible bullish reversal with the Bitcoin price action. However guys, disclaimer, hindi natin sure kung ang mangyayari ba dyan is magkakaroon ba siya ng dead cat bounce or ang mangyayari ba is 100% na full bullish trend reversal. So that is what we are going to monitor in the coming weeks to come. So hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, just click the subscribe button down below para makakuha kayo ng notification sa ating analysis daily. Pero let's see guys, you want to invest with the crypto market for the time being, one of the best place to invest is actually in crypto.com kasi dito, if you're going to invest in crypto.com, you can actually stake your coins. And as you can see, if you're going to stake, you can earn up to 14.5 interest per annum on coins as well as 14% on stable coins. And if you're going to stake their native token, which is CRO, you can actually get their beautiful metal Visa card. And if you want to claim bonus dito kay Crypto.com, you can actually use my sign-up code, which is GabsCrypto, if you want to claim up to $50 bonus with Crypto.com. So ayun muna update natin for the time being. Let's hope for a green month for the month of March 2022. And hopefully, mag-play out yung ating prediction with the Bitcoin price action. Ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.